We got 6 inches of snow today, and we finally get to plow. It's the first snow plow of the year. I'm also wearing this Venture heated jacket that I'm going to give a test today to see how well it keeps me warm while plowing. I'm going to be using the Wildcat with a 60-inch plow. And I also like to set the pads so that your blade sits about a 1/2 inch to 1 inch off the ground for the first plow, so you're not digging up all the gravel. Let's go plow. As you can see, this plow does a very good job plowing. It goes through quite a bit of snow. This is plowing with the Wildcat Trail 60-inch plow setup. And I'll leave a link in the description where you can get the plow and the quick attach, which is buried here. Down in the description below, and I'll also leave a link to where you can get the heated jacket. It's keeping me nice and warm today, and it's pretty cold out, and it's supposed to get down below 0 tonight. Well, thanks for joining me as I plowed out my yard, and remember to get outdoors with Deano.